I'm going to tell you how to fix your Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. First, click Start, type Services, and open it. Scroll all the way down and look for WLAN AutoConfig. Double click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic and click Start if it's not running. Right below that, check WWAN AutoConfig and set that to automatic too. After that, open Device Manager by searching it from Start, go to Network Adapters, and find your Wi Fi card. Usually Intel, Realtek, or something, or just look for wireless. Right click it, choose Disable, wait a few seconds, then right click again and choose Enable to refresh the driver. You can also right click and hit Update Driver just in case Windows has a quick fix available. And if nothing works, do a network reset. Just go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, and then Network Reset. Then click Reset Now. This reinstalls all your network adapters and puts everything back to default. Restart your PC afterwards, because most of the time, this combination of steps brings your missing Wi Fi option back instantly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.